I do want to mention one thing that's often confusing, that once you come up with a histogram that looks like this, maybe, there's a plot that looks like this, or the histogram may kind of go up steep and then look like this. I think I should show it like this, and then. So with both of these, we're going to say that they are skewed. Not a big deal. I think almost all of us will look at that and we'll say, yep, it's skewed. Here's the only thing that's slightly confusing. And I'll ask you to type this into the box, into the chat box. This one is skewed. Is it skewed left or skewed right? Type an answer. Is it skewed left? Either type the word left or type the word right. And that's what every bone in your body will say. And that's not the convention. It's skewed right in some sense, but it's also kind of stretched to the left. The technical definition of skewed is that this is skewed left, or negative skew, and then this is skewed right. So almost every one of you would have said, this is skewed right. Yeah, I know, that just kind of sucks. It looks like it's skewed right. It's still confusing. It's weird. Here's one way that you'll never forget kind of which direction it's skewed, left or right. There's a child sitting on the slide, and whichever way he goes down is the way that it's skewed. So, and also, so this one is skewed right. I guess, but that's one way of thinking about it. Which way would the slide go? I guess you could say that someone could slide that way, but in general, this looks like a slide that goes here. The other way of thinking about it is if you replace the word skew with stretch. Which way is it stretched? And it's kind of stretched left. So you get to make up your own understanding and interpretation, but that's the definition of skew, even though it goes against the intuition of 90% of us. But look around and Google it and see what skew, how skew is defined, and it just goes against what the bones in our body say it should be. So if you find something that says this is skewed left or right here, I'd love to see it. I've never seen it, but let me know. It's interesting that for those of you that typed in an answer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So maybe however many there were, 10 out of 12 of you would have called this one here skewed left. And I get it. I get it.